What is happening? Who is trying to target our children? Another Delhi school has got a bomb threat. Remember, all these calls have been hoax calls, fake calls, no bombs are being found. But again, according to the Delhi Fire Department, a call has been received from a prestigious school, and this is the Dwarka DPS in Delhi. At about 5 a.m., a call was received, and it was a threatening email like the previous mails. Investigation is underway. But I reiterate, as you see the visuals of the cops coming out of the school premises, no bomb found. Shreya Chatterjee is joining me this morning. Shreya, just to put it in clarity, that this is again looks like a hoax call, no bomb found. But so disturbing, prank or otherwise, is someone after our children?
Well, yet another morning and yet another hoax bomb call. This has become a regular menace in the national capital. Day after day, we only see pressure putting on our security apparatus. And clearly, there hasn't been any end to the investigation of the piling up cases that has already come before. In one or two odd cases, it has been turned out that these were internally done by allegedly school students itself. But after that, as of now, larger modus operandi into these hoax calls haven't yet been revealed. The Delhi police is also looking into it, but this has actually become a scare fest in the national capital because repeatedly schools are getting these bomb threat calls, which are eventually being turned out to be hoax.
All right, tell me about this, Shreya, because I understand again the security agencies must be on the job on it already. But this again was an email threatening in nature. Do you have details on that? And of course, I guess the school must be closed right now.
Well, yes, the school has been closed because irrespective, Pooja, of the fact that the Delhi police knows that most of these calls would be turning out to be hoax. Whenever there is a bomb threat call, like such a security measure, it is a must to follow a proper sanitization to ensure that nothing is done. So that's something which is a protocol that is being followed, but extremely unfortunate in the manner that we are seeing these calls being coming repeatedly, and actually no investigation that has made a headway of who's doing these, because it looks like that this is being done in an organized manner.
Let's hope that as the year comes to a close, that the agencies will be able to find out who is sending these emails and why.